hungry, I'm thirsty. No one can eat food for me and no one can drink water for me to quench the thirst and to meet my hunger. Same way, fear, unhappiness, dissatisfaction, frustration, anxiety are subjective problems. Only I have to deal with it. They live in my mind. I have to change the mind that is working on me to I start working on the mind. And that is what is all about the Eastern wisdom. Always remember. First thing to remember is that there is no objective solution for the subjective problems. No objective solution for my subjective problems. No objective solution means wealth. If you have $1 billion, can you remain free from fear, frustration, anxiety? Look at Elon Musk. See that? Eastern wisdom is an instrument of knowledge that it helps us to understand problem, then the locus of the problem, and thereby knowledge it puts the solution. Ignorance is gone, fear is gone, frustration is gone, insecurity is gone, dissatisfaction is gone, and the mind ultimately changes. Anxiety, duality, conflict, unhappiness, dissatisfaction. No, but you may say that, what do you say? What you can say? No, I'm unhappy because I don't have the money. Tell me, you have $1 billion. Will you be happy forever? And the second reason the Eastern wisdom gives, if happiness is present in the wealth, in the note, in the bucks, in the dollar, in the rupees, then obviously there is no problem because happiness is there and you have it. So it will. Another problem, the wealth is objective. And that is what our great masters guide us. Eastern wisdom is a journey of the self-discovery where we awaken to permanent peace, happiness, love, and wisdom. But why and how? Peace is our essential nature. How can you say? But that's what we are. We have been searching peace. We have been searching happiness. We have been searching love. And they are all within us. So even when you start the journey to the Eastern wisdom, you start the journey to the permanent peace, happiness, love, and wisdom.